Alright everybody, this is my first video I'm making on the Fatbaggers EZ clutch adjuster. It's an upgrade kit from Fatbaggers that's supposed to upgrade the plastic turd that we originally had on the stock OEM clutch cable. And I'm just going to try and make this the simplest as I can because it's really that simple. So to start off the video, what do we have here? 2021 Road King Special with a 4-inch extension from Fatbaggers. Clutch is off, and we have already installed the adjuster upgrade from Fatbaggers. So your first step to installing this adjuster is removing the original plastic adjuster. I did it really off camera because it was kind of hard to do it with just one hand, but you have to get a pair of cutters, remove the red plastic clip, and cut the rest off. After that, you just easily slide on the new adjuster after removing the O-ring, and then slide the O-ring through the wire at the bottom and then reinstall it. Really that simple. So first impression of the adjuster, as you could tell, it looks much better than the stock one, right? Now, the next step is to adjust it after you do install it. Before we talk about that, really quick, when installing this adjuster, there's the O-ring on the bottom, right? That's what makes it have a very tight fit, and it will not come out. So just be patient with that because you don't want to damage this thing. It's $50 for, two little pieces of metal. And it sounds like a lot of money, but you do get what you pay for. So finally, after you have installed it, it's almost complete. You really just have to adjust it. Adjusting it is very easy. There's a set screw on the top. You loosen the set screw, and usually once you find the right spot for the adjustment, you use about a quarter, text say quarter turns. The manual says half turns to 1 full turn to adjust the clutch and find a good spot for it to grab. But after that, it's complete. You set the set screw, put the cover back on, and you are done. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps out. Shout out to Hog Shoppe in Levittown, by the way. They got me the adjuster. See you.